Let us now practice how to convert a number from base 10 to base 2 using this example. So we have to find the equivalent of 345 base 10 in base 2. Now take note, such a question like this can come in different ways. You could also be told, convert 345 base 10 to base 2. All of them mean the same thing. That is, you are looking for the equivalent in base 2. Now to do this, you draw a table with 2 columns. Now to the right column, you put the number you are converting from base 10 to base 2. That is, we have 345. And since we are converting to base 2, we will put 2 on the left side of the column. The left column is 2, the right column is 3, 4, 5. Now we do our repeated division, noting down our remainders as we go. So 2 goes in 3 once, remainder 1. Now when you stick that 1 here, you have 14. And then 2 goes in 14 7 times without remainder. And 2 goes in 5 twice with a remainder, and the remainder is 1. Now we continue dividing by 2 until we get to 0. So let's do that. 2. 2 can go in 1, so we say 2 in 17. 2 in 17 is 8 with a remainder of 1. Now 2 in 12 is 6 without a remainder, so remainder 0. Now let's continue. 2 in 86, that will give us 43, remainder 0. Now 2 in 43, that is 21, remainder 1. 2 in 21, that is 10, remainder 1. 2 in 10 will give us 5, remainder 0. 2 in 5 is 2, remainder 1. And then 2 in 2 is 1, remainder 0. And then 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. So you see that we have finished our division when we arrive at 0. So to get our answer, we write our remainder in the reverse order. That is from bottom to top. This means that 345 base 10 is equivalent to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. And that's how we convert a number in base 10 to its equivalent in base 2. Thank you.